This is my budget keyboard that I have built, and here's how it sounds. This is a keyboard I bought on Amazon, and they had a discount and it costed me $57. You could find a lot more keyboards with different variety depending on your budget. The switches that came inside of the keyboard were cherry reds. The keycaps that came with the keyboard were double shot PBT. Instead of cherry reds, I ordered glorious pandas to swap them out. These glorious pandas have a tactile feel, and each pack was about $22. These are the unlubed switches, and there's also a discount on them. I needed to order 2 packs because I have 68 keys, and each pack comes with 36 switches. Make sure to check how many keys you have. Also make sure to buy a few more extra switches, just in case 1 or 2 breaks in the process when you're lubing them. The kit that I bought on Amazon was a while ago, cost about $14, and there's a small discount as well. Links to all the products will be down in the description. When disassembling this keyboard, I cut out the foam that came with the box, and I cut it to shape on the bottom. If you'd like, you could add anything to the bottom to remove the hollow sound. I chose foam. For pricing, the keyboard came out to be $57, 2 packs of switches came out to be $20 for me, and the lubing kit costed $14. All in all, this build comes to $112, and if you're to lube any more switches in the future, you could keep the kit. Without the lubing kit, you would have a keyboard that's right under $100. If I had a smaller budget, I would lube the stock cherry red switches to reduce the price even further, but I chose to buy a different switch instead. This is my first custom keyboard, and would like to update this keyboard in the future. Subscribe if you would like to see future keyboard builds, PC builds, and reviews. Leave a like if you've enjoyed this video, and comment on any of the products or questions that you have down below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.